Now we have to understand about the composition of the air which we feel around us. Well, this air that we have is composed of many gases: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, argon, and various dust particles. But most of these are in very small quantities. And we are going to read about in detail about the three main gases present, which are the nitrogen, oxygen, and the carbon dioxide. As far as nitrogen is concerned, it is the most important composition in the air that we have. When we inhale, that is the time we take in little bit of nitrogen. But for the survival of the plants, nitrogen is a must. Of course, plants cannot take nitrogen directly. Therefore, the bacteria which lives in the roots of the plants takes the nitrogen and changes its form in such a way that it can be taken by the plants. Next comes the oxygen. Oxygen is again as important as nitrogen, and when we breathe, we inhale oxygen. So, for the survival of human beings, oxygen is the most important gas. The plants during photosynthesis, they exhale, they give out oxygen. Thus, this inhalation and exhalation, that is the human beings inhaling and the plants exhaling, makes it a perfect balance, and thus this constant process that we have, this brings in a complete balance on the earth. Of course, if we start cutting trees, then the balance of the nature would actually get disturbed. The next that we have is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is required by the plants to make food. And when we breathe, we exhale, we release carbon dioxide. And of course, the plants take carbon dioxide. This means a total balance again. The animals and the human beings are inhaling oxygen and the plants are inhaling carbon dioxide. They are exhaling the oxygen during photosynthesis and we are exhaling carbon dioxide. So, a complete, total, perfect balance. But of course, the balance can be spoiled as far as carbon dioxide is concerned if we start burning fuels in a very explosive manner, as they would release a lot of carbon dioxide and thus the balance which is maintained by nature would get affected.